Ben. I'm the technical partner with DragonFire. So DragonFire's laser-directed energy weapon demonstrator that we've been building in order to prove the technology around laser weapons to show that they're genuinely practicable technology for delivering weapon systems. Laser weapons are something that are brand new. We don't know what their benefits are going to be, technically whether it's actually going to be achievable to use them. But the sense is that this has the potential to be something that could be absolutely game-changing. Our current weapon systems are large, expensive, heavy, and the logistics chain required to move them around is extraordinary. Something which we can just fire using a laser weapon and have on our platforms is potentially going to be much cheaper and achieve the same effects at a much lower cost.
Working collaboratively with DSTL as an industry representative, it's been a really good experience. In some ways you forget that actually it's a partnership between industry and MOD and DSTL, and we actually work together as one team, very, very closely delivering the capability. The biggest challenges really are around the fact that we're trying to build a system with bits of technology which are absolutely world leading, and we're trying to combine them all into a single system. So we don't just have the challenges of trying to do one piece of groundbreaking technology, we've got to do 3 or 4 all at the same time, and for them all to operate as well as each other at the same time in order to deliver an effect. The lasers are a really key technical aspect, but it's all about building systems that will protect our military, our soldiers and our sailors. The point that we've got to now, which is the demonstration, which is the culmination of 5 years worth of effort from hundreds of scientists and analysts and commercial staff and project managers in order to get to a position where we've proven that the technology is effective, is fantastic.